Okay, super quick tip. This is something I'm so stupid about this DAW here, known as Studio One. Okay, the thing about Ableton is Ableton makes it really easy to immediately get automation points for individual knobs, individual parameters, individual effects, whatever, to show up here. In the past, I thought you just had to go to display. First of all, you had to click this button, go to display, do add remove, come over here to MIDI, find that exact effect, whatever it was, which when you click on it, it actually shows up here too, in the top left. So I'm looking for, oh, there's oscillator 1, parameter, no, position, oh, there it is, I'll add it, boom. See how long that takes? Ridiculous. I've been doing that for years. I'm so stupid. If you happen to have been doing this for years too, let me show you the other way to do it. So much quicker. Just pick the knob, twist it once like that. Have that on right. Sweet. Take the knob and just twist it like that a little bit, and that will make it appear up here. Now take the hand, and while you have this mode turned on, the show automation, just drag it down to the track. There you go. Now you can manipulate as much as you want.